I always forget to bring a rock. I think it's fine. You know, it's obvious what to do with a new bike. Freaking tail tidy, turn signals, mirrors, exhaust, obviously, slide protection, you know. Ladies and gents, well, another day, another vlog. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous day? We have a solid Thursday. As solid as they get, really. Except it's a little chilly. Right now it's mid-40s. It's like 45 or something, 46 when I left. However, for end of October, I'll take it, because come lunchtime it's gonna be 60. That's actually why I am wearing thermals and all that, but I'm not actually sorry bros, I'm wearing thermals and all that, but I'm not wearing my leather jacket, and I'm not wearing my heated gloves. Not doing any of that. I had to run my throttle advance in order to, you know, help the bike out, because it runs, idles really low when it's cold. But yeah, it's a vlog. And one thing I always get asked about is riding like this when it's cold, but in New York City it's very different, because it's worth it, you know. It would take me an hour on the subway train to do this, and it takes me 10-15 minutes on a motorcycle. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer, except some people ain't got no brain. And there we go. Oh boy, this guy gonna get stuck. It's possible. Pull up to the front just a touch. Nothing crazy. Don't want to upset anybody now. I mean, I guess I could pull up all the way to the front like I have been doing, but this is also okay. There we go. Come down the idle a little bit. It's not that crazy. There we go. Why is this happening? Oh, it's a street cleaner. That's funny. This guy is gonna let me in. Maybe, maybe not. Can't tell. It's a big truck. Turn signal? No. Who needs turn signals? And for me, it's usually like right now is the time where you start deciding on what kind of gear you're gonna rock. Whether it's gonna be a heated gear situation, layers of thermals, leather jacket. Because right now I'm not even wearing thermals under my pants. That's how I know it's not particularly cold out yet. Still levels to that shit. I actually had a cold this last week. This is the first time I'm going to the office in over a week, which is kind of exciting. I like going to the office. I got a bunch of shit I gotta get done. Stuff that I prefer to do in the office. That looks like a cop, don't it? But I don't think it is. Let's figure it out. Is it a cop? I don't believe so. Oh yeah, no, it is a cop. Look at those little lights. See those little clear lights right there? On the bottom? that car. That is gorgeous. Am I going to be able to scoot? Beautification. Oh, good Lord. It's a fucking mess. So what am I gonna do? Am I gonna split? Yes, I am. There's literally a prison bus going by. I'm gonna go over here. Look at this fucking thing. Distracting. Turn off the throttle advance. You gotta watch out. When this shit happens, everybody squeezes to the left a little bit. Even people in the middle lane. Get ahead of the bus, so I don't have to deal with that. It's a tight little squeeze, but doable. Lost track of that prison bus, so definitely be. There we go. We're good. No stress. Thank you. Split. Broken car. We're gonna have to go to the right in a second here. Blend in that way. Blend into the right. Just gotta pass a car or two more. Probably pass this truck here and then get in there. It's probably now a good time. People are really tight here. It's this big truck. Wonder what it's full. What is it full of? It's full of poop. A lot of Explorers. I still don't get why people buy Explorers. Rotten car. Rotten car. Don't stress it. Embrace it. There we go. Now we start saving just a little bit of time. There's 4 minutes of traffic, which we don't have to worry about all that much. I mean, there's still a pretty tight squeeze here, but for the most part, people don't think about a motorcycle coming through here, so they leave this gap, which is just big enough for my butt. how gorgeous this is. It's a perfect tunnel. And now here we are. Fucking split adventure concluded. Yeah, it's like it's funny. I have this gauge built into my body. I've been riding in freezing temperatures, and first of all, I rode for years without proper gear, so I totally know what it's like to just like literally ride in cold temperatures just on sheer willpower of wanting to do it. At one point, I even put on like rubber like latex gloves under my gloves to like break the wind and blah blah blah. But yeah, like basically if I get on my bike, if I come outside and my head is cold, because I keep my hair short, you know, if my head is cold when I come outside, I'm like, damn. And then, I mean, I have a balcony, so I kind of judge the wind a little bit, but if I get to the end of my block and I'm cold, I know I'm fucked. I know it's gonna be survival. It's gonna be like one of those survival rides where, you know, sir, this dude, that guy literally was just like, yo, he's slow down. He's a New Yorker. He a New Yorker. Yeah, I gotta address this little idle issue. It's funny, I actually priced out a bike already and all that. Just gotta pull the trigger. It's just I'm not ready. Oh God, I hate change. I hate new things. Like, as much as I love change, everybody loves change. You know, everybody is like, as much as people say they hate change, people like new shit. People like different shit. And as much as I love change, I just don't want to start, like, because once I get a new bike, it's going to be a whole another dance. The thing is, I'm smarter and wiser now, and I know exactly the kind of mods I would do and how I would, like, just, it'd be easy enough. But come on, green light for the love. Because yeah, there'd be a, you know, it's obvious what to do with a new bike. Freaking tail tidy, turn signals, mirrors, what else, exhaust, obviously, slide protection, you know, some basic things, some really basic things. Oh boy, holy shit, is this really happening right now? I ain't got time for this shit, bro. Oh, come on, bro, let me get through. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. You are killing me. I got fucking places to be. It's okay. They're doing construction things. These things happen. They gotta back this bitch in because they gotta fill that hole up. That's cool. I respect that. But yeah, it's lovely. I actually dressed perfectly. That way I still got the feel, and you feel light. Trying to go left here, bro. The fuck is happening? Then we got this Uber. I don't even know her. Sweet delicious Dumbo. We're back once again. Bro, you're gonna have to fucking move. I'm about to honk on that ass, mother pupper. fucking taxi drivers trying to figure out their life on my dime. Nah. Oh my goodness, look, it's a weed truck. We deliver THC. Dun dun dun. Alright, so where can we park? We can park. Well, that's not a bad spot, I guess. I can park. I mean, over here, not a bad spot either. Oh, right there. I mean, that's a car-sized park, though. It's a car-sized spot. What up, dog? What's good? Alright, we'll spin the block. Although, that's not a bad spot right there. I just don't want people to, knock my shit over, bro. Oh, they towed the Jeep? No, they didn't. Yeah, I can park here. Next to this Cafe Racer. I think it's okay. I think we'll figure it out. Oh. Nope. There we go. Now we'll do it. There we go. Oh, god damn. That's good. Not gonna hurt you, little fella. Not gonna hurt you. Like that. Boom. Here we are. My bike is always leaning crazy. I always forget about that part. But I think we're gonna be okay. Anyway, this is our place for the day. Thank you so much for watching, as always. Actually, just want to show you this weird thing. I don't understand what is going on here on this block, but there's literally multiple cars that are like, look, this car, flat tires, all fucked up. This Beamer, flat tires, all fucked up. Cadillac, all fucked up. And then you got my bike, all fucked up. No kidding, my bike is actually fine, but it is leaning like insane. I wish there was like some sort of a rock I could use. I always forget to bring a rock, but I think it's fine. I think my bike will be okay. Wait, is that my bike dripping oil? Probably. I hope so. Anyway, I will talk to you guys soon. Alright, bye bye now.